everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a really quick makeup look using the Too Faced Semi-Sweet Chocolate Bar palette. There's some great shadows in here that can be used for any look, some nice pops of color. So yeah, that's about it. If you want to see how I got this look, then let's get into it. So first we're going to prime our face using the Too Faced Hangover RX Primer. Next, we're going to use the Too Faced Born This Way foundation with a beauty blender. For concealer, I'm using Tarte Shape Tape and a beauty blender. I'm using the Fenty Beauty Translucent Powder to set my face. Going in with the Makeup Forever trio that I made at Sephora, I'm going to set my under eyes as well as contour and add some blush. I'm going to highlight with Becca Cosmetics Champagne Pop. Next, we are going to fill in our eyebrows with Anastasia Dip Brow. So the first shade we are going to use is Coconut Cream, and we're going to put that all over the lid. Next, we're going to use mousse, and we're going to put that all over the lid as well, really focusing it on the crease. Shade Truffled, we're going to focus it really on the outer corner and the inner corner, leaving the center basically empty. This is the shade that we really want to make sure it's all blended out and looks nice and smooth. This shade's Mousse and Truffled, we're going to blend that into the lower lash line. Using my finger, I'm going to take the shade Caramel and really pack that onto the center of the eyelid. Finally, we're going to take the shade Butter Pecan and apply that to the inner corner as well as onto the brow bone. Next up, I'm going to apply some mascara using the Benefit Roller Lash. To finish it all off, I'm using Honeycomb by Bite Beauty on my lips. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you all enjoyed my really quick makeup tutorial on this like really sort of nude brown smoky eye. And if you like these sort of quick makeup tutorials, then give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe down below, and I will see you on my next one. Bye!